Let Brigadier Anil Gupta go first.
Wasting time.
Yes, sir.
And I must tell you one thing. These Pak stooges, who call themselves jihadis, have today killed a young 35-year-old Kashmiri Pandit who was elected representative of the people. The entire Kashmir is in grief, but people like him are laughing. You see, now this gentleman, Mr. Pandita, was staying with his family with 2 sons and a wife ever since he got elected last year for 1 year in his own constituency. He has been spending day and night there to ensure that peace comes there, development takes place. He was a grassroots worker. People loved him. And he took pride in calling himself Vijay Pandita Bharatiya. And still, he was such a lovable person, but he has been killed by these terrorists. And thereafter, the pity is that his own party, rather than condemning the terrorists or rather than condemning Pakistan, which has sent these terrorists, is trying to play politics. And rather than condemning them, they are saying they should be provided security. You see, look at the level at which these people go. They will never criticize the terrorists, they will never criticize terror, they will criticize Pakistan, but they will keep finding faults with the government or keep finding fault with the ecosystem existing here. They are only concerned about that. And another thing, look, people like Majid Hadri and all those who are sitting on this program, why they are scared? They are scared because their turn is also coming to very soon. The JK police is very soon widening its net.
Sir, we are scared of the idea of Naya Kashmir.
Who call them? Please listen to me. All these people who are failed post Dahshatgard, they are coming into the net of the Kashmir police very soon. So far, 200 such people have been caught, and they will also very soon be in that net.
Majid Hydari, Majid, don't behave like a stone pelter. Majid, don't behave like a stone pelter on my program. Please wait when he's speaking.
He only criticizes.
Why should I behave? Why does a Muslim become a stone pelter? Please explain me this. Why does a Muslim become a traitor? Why does a Muslim become a stone pelter?
Move to Wani Asmin.
And always sing praise of Pakistan and China. This gentleman, I can tell you, is a Pak stooge.
Give me a time. I hope they cannot indulge.
Wani Asmin, without giving speeches, I will simply ask you. I will ask you a simple question. Do you believe that those who killed Ajay Pandita, the young Kashmiri Sarpanch, right? Do you believe that they were cowards and need to be shot dead? Are they cowards and should they be shot dead? No. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Wani, you heard my question. Yasmin, you heard my question. What is my question? Those who killed the young Kashmiri Sarpanch, right, in cold blood, and what was his fault? That he was a believer in our political system.